In today's video, I'm going to show you literally the quickest and easiest way that you can import products to your dropshipping store. You can literally import 35 products if you want to in less than like 2 minutes. Now for this, what we're going to be needing is the AutoDS Chrome Extension. It's a simple extension that you can go ahead and download simply by going to Google, looking up the AutoDS Helper, clicking on the first link, or just to make it easier for you, if you want to download it, it will be down in the description below. And just go ahead and download the AutoDS Helper. It'll then take you to the Chrome web store, and then just go ahead and add it. For me, it says remove because I already have it added. This is how you're going to be able to use it. So once it's installed, what you are going to need to do is tie it back to your AutoDS account. So you are going to have to sign in to your account to be able to use it. Now, if you're not signed up with AutoDS just yet, you can go ahead and sign up for just $1 for the next 2 weeks. So you can see how much faster this can make your product importing and really just overall make your store a lot more efficient. Now, this is the AutoDS Helper right here. So this is the extension itself. And here we have a few different options. So for one, we can go ahead and select any one of these different stores. These are all stores that are tied back to my AutoDS account. So if I want to import into, let's say, this store right here, I just need to select it. Then I can go ahead and select different suppliers. So what this is going to do is it's going to allow me to search up any one of these different suppliers pretty much instantly. So let's say I'm just watching a video on YouTube just randomly, right? And I think, ooh, I have an idea for a product. Instead of going to AliExpress, Walmart, or any one of my other suppliers and manually looking through all of their pages and searching, I could just do it through here. So let's say, for example, I want to search up through Walmart, I want to check out Amazon, and let's do Banggood. And of course, AliExpress. Let's do AliExpress because can't forget the OG, right? And I'm going to be dropshipping in the United States, so let's keep that there. So now I just simply need to search up whatever it was that I was thinking about. So let's say a dog collar, right? Click on search now. And then you're going to have all of these different tabs open up for the different suppliers that you chose, searching that same product that you just looked up. So here we have Walmart dog collars. Then we have Amazon dog collars, Banggood, and AliExpress. Even though Banggood doesn't have a lot of dog collars, they just have like a few just random products here. But it searched up dog collars. Now, one thing that is important to note about the different suppliers and the regions is that depending on which supplier you choose, you're going to have different regions. So let's say the Home Depot, if we click on that one, we can go ahead and see the regions. We only have United States. But if we take off the Home Depot and instead we do Amazon, we can go ahead and see that we have a lot of other regions to be able to choose from. So now we have the UK, Germany, France, Italy, and a few others. If I want to, let's say, go into this product right here, right? This one looks pretty good. It's a bling rhinestone letter for dogs. Just, you know, I guess you want to ice out your dog. So let's say I want to import this one to my store. All I have to do is take this little guy over here. This is my Chrome extension. This is my helper. I need to expand it by clicking on it, and then I just click on import. Boom. Product is being imported into my store. Super easy, super quick. It's literally just 2 clicks, opening the helper and clicking on import. Now, this right here is going to be tied to the account that you have selected on here. So the store that you have selected is going to be the one that the helper imports to. Now, to show you another thing that's really cool and actually makes things a lot quicker for you, like I said earlier, you can import 35 products if you want in like just minutes. And this is how you do that. So let's go back to our search page. Let's do the Amazon one. Now, this is a search page that the AutoDS Chrome Extension opened up for us, but we can simply just search it up ourselves. So we can come up here and then switch this over. Let's say we want to do Halloween nightlight, and then I want to import, let's say, all of these different ones, right? Let's say if I want to import every single one of these, I can open up the AutoDS Helper. I can go ahead and select all, and I'm going to be importing 69 products to my store, all with just the click of the import button. Now, I'm not going to click import right now because I do not want 69 Halloween LED nightlights in my store or in my drafts. But if this is something that you're interested in, if you want to bulk upload, let's say to eBay where it's really a big numbers game, then you can easily do it this way. All right, now let's go ahead and check out a few different settings that we have access to. So if we open up our Chrome extension and then click on this little gear icon up here, we can see that we have the option to change from draft to store to publish to store. I don't suggest you go with publish to store unless you have all of your settings like perfectly dialed in on the AutoDS platform, because what this is going to do is it's going to just post it directly live on your store, ready for people to purchase. So if you don't have your pricing optimized just yet, or if you don't have any rules to increase your pricing when you import your products, then you might not be making any money, or you might even be losing money. So it's always best to leave at draft to store. So that way, whenever you go ahead and import your products, they'll be located in your draft section in the AutoDS dashboard. Now, another cool little option that you have is this little cool automatic import button on every listing. So if you can see here, we have a little plus sign on pretty much every single listing that we have. And what that is simply an import button. So if we go ahead and click on this one right here, we're going to see down here, it says AutoDS Dropship Helper. This item is being added to our store. So that's just another way that you can import products pretty much just effortlessly. All right, so now let's run over to our AutoDS dashboard so I can show you exactly where they are. So this is the AutoDS dashboard, as you may know, and all we have to do is just click over here where it says the drafts. This is the draft sections over here. And then we have a few of the different products that I imported to my store. So we have the cute dog collar and we have the pumpkin nightlight for kids, which is the one that I just looked at right now. So we can just simply click to edit. And then from here, we can go ahead and edit any of the different listing details. So we can optimize the title, the description, the variations, our pricing, and literally everything else before we have this product go live on our store. Once we have everything ready, just click on save and import over here, and it's going to be added to our store. It's going to go live, ready for people to make a purchase. Now, really quick before we go, since I recorded this video, there have been a couple of updates that came out. So for one, there's a whole new list of suppliers that are available directly through the extension. So now under our suppliers here, we're going to find a lot more than we had before. Another feature is going to be the ability to upload single products to Amazon. And then we have the address copier. Now, this is something that makes your dropshipping business a lot easier if you're fulfilling your orders manually. Now, let me quickly show you how that works. It's super easy and super quick. So for the address copier, what we need to do is go on over to our orders page, and then we're going to look under address. We're going to see right here a copy to clipboard button. So let's go ahead and click on that. And now our customer's information is going to be copied over. Now what we can do is run on over to our supplier. In this case, we're going to be using AliExpress. Add this product to our cart. I already have it over here ready. We're going to go ahead and change the shipping address. We're going to add a new address. And now we have this little button up here that says paste address. This isn't normally there. This is actually a feature of the AutoDS Chrome Extension. So yeah, there's no products to import, but we can go ahead and paste the address that we just copied over. All right, so once it's ready, we're gonna see down here, the address has been pasted and we are pretty much good to go. Now we can go ahead and confirm it and place the order for our customers. Now, this isn't only limited to AliExpress. This is gonna be able to be used with any one of our supported suppliers, such as Walmart, Amazon, and even other Shopify stores. And that was the AutoDS Dropship Helper extension. As you can see, it's very efficient. It makes things a lot easier, a lot more streamlined, especially if you want to import multiple products at once. Or if you're just looking through Amazon one day, trying to see what you purchase and you think, oh, I could actually sell this. You could just click on import and you're good to go. So if this is something that interests you and you don't have an account with AutoDS just yet, so you can't take advantage of it, make sure you check out the AutoDS trial for $1 for the next 2 weeks so you can test it out and see how efficient it really is. Huge thank you to everyone for watching, especially if you made it all the way to the end. As always, if you found this video helpful, educational, or informative in any way, shape, or form, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below about the Dropship Helper extension. Is it something that you plan on using? I would love to know your thoughts on that. And with that, my name is Mario with AutoDS, and I'll catch you all next time.